Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation for your perfect omelet. In this video, I will show you how to make a good omelet. First, select 2 or 3 large, fresh eggs per serving. Crack them into a bowl and whisk gently with a fork or whisk, just until the yolks and whites are combined. Be careful not to over-whisk, as this can incorporate too much air and make your omelet less tender. This simple step sets the stage for a truly delicious result. The right pan and heat are crucial for a flawless omelet. Select an 8-inch non-stick skillet. This size is ideal for a 2 or 3 egg omelet. Place your pan over medium-low heat and allow it to warm up for about 1 minute. Then, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, letting it melt and coat the entire bottom of the pan. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking, giving you that beautiful golden exterior. Now for the cooking technique that makes all the difference. Pour your whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan. Let the edges set for about 30 seconds without disturbing them. Then, using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. As you do this, tilt the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath, ensuring even cooking throughout. Repeat this process until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. The final steps involve adding your favorite fillings and mastering the fold. Once the eggs are mostly set but still a little creamy, add your desired fillings, like cheese or herbs, to 1/2 of the omelet. Cook for an additional 15 to 30 seconds to warm the fillings. Then, using your spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a warm plate and serve it immediately for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.